Oh, man, you need to be. Why is this happening to me, man? I lose half of my money. It was at $2 something not ago. Now it's like 99. No.
Don't be like him. Make sure to backtest all your trading strategies. And for the sake of that, today we will be testing a simple trading strategy, so you don't end up like him. The strategy is buying whenever a bullish engulfing forms above the EMA 60, as you saw in the previous picture. So we will disable the sell side, and we will select the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern in the buy conditions, and then we will pass to the moving averages. We will select single moving average, and then we will select our moving average type. Now, for the color, it doesn't really matter if you have single moving average, but it comes handy to distinguish between multiple moving averages, or in case of adding similar indicators like the VWAP. Moving on, set up the period as 60 and the condition to be above the EMA. Okay, now after that, we will move to the risk management. We will set the take profit and the stop loss values. The TP will be set to 6% move, and so does the stop. So we will be ending up with a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio setup. I would not change nothing in the account settings or the trading sessions. Instead, I will go ahead and select the XRP-USD and leave the time frame as it is. Feel free to select and test what you want. We offer Forex and stocks also, alongside with crypto, because this is a crypto interface. And now we will set the size of the XRP buying contracts to be 100, press the backtest button or in your keyboard lowercase b, and wait for a few seconds. And here we go. This is the backtest results, like the return and the win rate, and other stats. And as you see, the strategy had a loss of 0.5% of the account. And it seems not bad, because we didn't buy a lot compared to the account balance. But if we use a small account with a high leverage, it might blow your account. And that's why some countries like the United States don't allow high leverage brokers. Now, this is the backtest results chart and trades history to analyze the strategy from a technical perspective and understand why it didn't work, and if there's a workaround to optimize it. Maybe it was a tight stop loss or a wide take profit, or the volatility was slow due to bad market timing and more possible causes. Tweak things, observe, and understand relationships with speed and less overwhelming environment than the demo account, or worse, your live account. And what I advise you do is to test here first, and then test in the demo account of your broker to see how it performs in real conditions, like spread and commissions. And once you're able to generate returns in a respectful amount of time, feel free to consider live trading. Going back to the explanation, when you take a look at the table, the positive size, like you see here, a 100, represents the size of a buy position, while the negative size presents a sell position, which we have none in here, because we tested the buy conditions only. And after clearing this point, you will be able to identify the buy from the sell in the trades history table. So analyze smarter, faster, better. Start your professional journey with us. We're currently offering 50% off. Don't miss your chance to level up your trading. Subscribe for real backtest results, updates, and exclusive discounts. And if this video helped, give it a like. Share it with a friend or family member.